Trello is a project management tool using a Kanban-style interface. At its core are boards, which represent entire projects or workflows. Lists are vertical columns that organize workflow stages. Cards are individual tasks within lists, containing descriptions, checklists, attachments, comments, and due dates. Label cards with colors for prioritization. Boards can be customized with backgrounds and themes. Use the sidebar for navigation and invite team members for collaboration. Power-ups are add-ons that extend Trello's functionality. Useful power-ups for beginners include the calendar power-up for a visual timeline, custom fields for adding data like budgets, and automation for automatically moving cards when due dates pass. Access and enable power-ups from the Power-ups menu on each board. Some power-ups are free, while others require a paid subscription. Consider integrating power-ups like Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace to allow for real-time editing and to streamline your workflow. For example, automation can move cards automatically when due dates pass, keeping your workflow organized.